let's take a look at the time on the Garmin Furnace 620. And here at the other elevator, which happens to be what's called the Cherry Street ramp. I didn't know the name of the garage at first, but that's the name of it right there. So if you want to read what's on the sign, pause it now. And we're in Green Bay, Wisconsin. So now we're going to take a ride in this elevator. There's also a Schindler HT with dinner resistant fixtures. I thought at first it was called the Nicolay Bank Garage because there's an ATM over there for the Nicolay National Bank. It also, which also happens to be a common chain in Wisconsin. So, looks like the elevator's here. Which floor are you going to, ma'am?
4, please.
4? Alright. That was a long chime. Someone's car alarm's going off. It's very random. Oh, this one talks. Alright, you have a great day, ma'am. Yeah, someone's car alarm is going off on this level. Seems like. But as you guys just heard, this elevator talks when it reaches a floor. The other one didn't do that. Yep, see, it talks. So here we're up at 7. Now I'm gonna ride back down to 1. Didn't seem to ring the down chime, but yeah. It is really nice from here. Here's the Nicolay National Bank, which I don't think we'll ride the elevators in, but that's what it looks like. Looks like someone's coming up to use the elevator. Guess I'll let her in. Or depending if she gets here in time.
Hello?
Actually, using the elevator?
Yeah.
Okay. What floor are you going to?
I'm on 4.
4? Oh.
Sorry, I'm probably in this garden elevator. I went out to dinner last night with Grandpa. It was really good. It was super weird because, well, we went to St. Brennan's and there's a car alarm going on.
Yeah, it's still going. Car alarm is still going. Jeez. I wonder if that's hers. Alright, so we're up at 7. And we're going back down to 1. Doesn't ring the down chime for some reason. But the lantern lit up though. Maybe the down chime doesn't work on this elevator. It was a scary cat view. I mean, it's pretty identical to the other one. There's Big Brother watching you. Actually, 2 Big Brothers. All the floor is kind of coming apart a little bit, as you can see right there. So, anyways, there's your indicator. It's a Schindler cabinet. Are you going up?
Yes.
The floor. Oh, okay. Yeah, you'll get it. All right, so I'm gonna let that go. So there the elevator goes. Now I would have set it up to 7 so you guys could watch it go up, but since that lady got in, I'm not gonna bother doing that, and I don't really see the point in doing it since I sent the other one up and showed that in the video. So we're just getting the video now, so that's gonna be it.